Namaste. Today our curry is prawn curry, no? So let us know the ingredients. This is prawns, 500 grams or half kg, and these are 10 boiled eggs, garlic, star anise, salt, garam masala, chilli powder, turmeric powder. Little blend is there, no? This is garam masala, general garam masala, and this is green chilli powder. Both are looking same. And these are curry leaves and very finely chopped 6 big onions and pieces of green chilies. Here, this is also, we are seeing the traditional method how they are making for years prawn curry generally. This is the one way they do. In this way, the secret ingredients are this poppy seeds and this star anise. Combinedly they'll make a paste. This is her secret, and this enhance the curry like anything. In competitions also, if you seek to go and use this secret ingredient, a paste of these two for prawns or for crab also, it tastes definitely different than others. Okay, so keep it up, underline. Come on, let's start the recipe now. We'll see how she do. Yes, she's keeping oil in the mandi. As per this curry requirement, she made big arrangements. While she start process, then she'll come for grinding those paste. Should get heat first. It seems what she is doing is keeping just slits for boiled eggs for the gravy to go inside them and observe the curry taste. She is telling that the prawn curry we are cooking, and in that they use in East Godavari these eggs also. Why? Because the prawn taste in the gravy will also come for egg and make it a very nice tempting egg taste. Do try. Now once oil got heated, she'll start the process. Oil got heated. What will you do? What is your first step? She'll fry the eggs, it seems. She kept slits for all the 10 boiled eggs. She'll fry it, seems. Usually what she do, I saw no while doing, they keep a little turmeric into the oil so that eggs won't be it won't touch the bottom of the pan and won't get disturbed. Their shape will be retained in the same way. So many don't know how to fry the eggs. Just keep a little turmeric and leave till it gets hardens, till it fries. Always don't disturb before it gets hardens at the bottom. If you do that egg will be broken sometimes. If you are not boiling properly, this is a properly boiled egg. If so many don't know how much time they should boil it. So in that scenario, please don't disturb the eggs always. Just keep a small turmeric into that and leave the eggs. Let them fry from one side. Then only turn to the other side. That's enough. So many of you can use this tip. And also for frying eggs, you should not disturb often. Just once let them fry one side and just turn to another side, take it out, that's all. If the eggs are perfectly boiled, they won't be breaking anyway. But if you don't know and you want egg shape to be the same and you don't know how to fry, if they are getting to the bottom of your pan means just try this. In a spoon oil also you can fry the eggs very nicely if you keep a turmeric into the oil. Okay, for curry we are taking this much 200 grams of oil. But if you keep a spoon of oil also, if you keep turmeric means eggs will be fried very nice. It took nearly 5 minutes. That's all. Now she is taking out all the eggs. Golden brown. She made the eggs fried till she got that golden brown. So she is continuing with her process. Let us see. Very finely chopped onions. I already informed you 6 big onions she took. Just going to make a more quantity curry. Yes, that's why she took 10 boiled eggs I think. And these many finely chopped onion pieces also. I guess we are going to be a large quantity. I already informed you prawns are half kg and 10 boiled eggs. So all this will grow into gravy and she is saying that gravy will also be more. Thick gravy it is. Green chili she is keeping. All the onions she is going to fry now till they become golden brown in sense. Curry leaves also, more she is using. Onions should be brown. That means we fry onions for biryani, you know. That texture, that means that much fry it should be. Onion will shrink almost in that stage and will make a fine gravy it seems. So till they become very deep brown, she will fry it seems. You'll fry or you'll keep lid and cook? What she'll do for first 10 minutes she'll keep lid. When they get this transparent look, no, then she'll open the lid in sims and fry till she what consistency she wants. Now she's keeping salt into this. How many spoons? 1 big spoon she took, you saw, no? That spoon full. She'll mix all this and keep lid now, and till the onions attain the transparent texture she'll cook with the lid only. That means nearly 6 to 7 minutes, that's all. Let us see after that 7 minutes. Meanwhile what she'll do, now she'll ground what I said secret ingredients, poppy seeds and star anise. For half kg prawns and this curry gravy, how many star anise will you take? 4 star anise it seems. 4 star anise and poppy seeds. How much? 100 grams? No. 50 grams.
That's the spoon.
These are more than that, no? See, if like the spoons, not normal tablespoons, 2 tablespoons, you have to take the poppy seeds and the 4 star anise, okay? 4 star anise for half kg prawns. This is not a fry, you have to remember that this is a thick gravy. So taking this much. If at all it is a fry, the scenario will be different. Okay? In this mortar she will make a fine paste. Now this is traditionally used mortars in homes in villages, generally not using mixies. But she is telling that they have the habit of this, and this poppy seeds you feel troublesome in mixies, but in this they will feel comfortable enough. The fine paste they will get in sips. for this prawn curry, we are using boiled eggs. How many eggs we are using? 10 eggs she is using. And what is the weight of this prawns? Half kg, and that means 500 grams of prawns we are taking. And these are 10 eggs, boiled eggs, and turmeric powder, chilli powder. What is this? Garam masala, general garam masala. Both are looking as same, no? This is chilli powder and this is general garam masala, and this is salt, and 6 big onions, very finely chopped, some curry leaves, and the cuts of green chilies. Okay, let us start the curry. It's over. Now see, before when we kept how were the prawns, now how? Prawns takes very less time it seems to cook. So she is telling gravy is complete, but we'll keep eggs and few water into this, and 5 more minutes we'll leave for all the consistency to be goodly, nicely blend. Boiled eggs and some water also she will keep it since for nice gravy consistency. Now it's looking dry fry like now. Prawn see before and after transformation. All the fats it loosed out into this gravy and shrink. That means they were ready to consume, but still 5 more minutes process is there for us. Masala water she collected from the water. Along with that water she will keep normal water also. That means 1 full cup. This see, this vessel is there now. This vessel full she took water. What they have habit means this oil bowls, masala bowls, what they are using, she is changing water from one to another. That's all. Don't think this is something different. Nothing. You just want to take away all the essence from the bowls. So she is changing the normal water to this oil bowl that eggs she kept now. That's all. And from water also she collected all that she kept. That's all. Completely this bowl water you have to pour into the curry. See, this eggs and prawn should be completely immersed in the water. That much quantity of water, how much prawns you take that wise. How you have to count? All the contents. That means prawn should be completely immersed in the gravy. See and keep the water according to that. We are using this bowl. Okay, it's not big a rocket science. Okay, now let us wait for 5 more minutes only, then we are ready to consume this.